Hey space cadets, ever wondered what would happen if you locked lips with an eat? Buckle up, because we're diving into the wild world of alien smooching. On Earth, a kiss is a universal sign of affection, but in the vast cosmos, things get a bit more complex. Let's explore the biological reasons why an alien smooch might be more of a close encounter of the hazardous kind. First, there's the microbiome. We all have a microscopic zoo living in our mouths, filled with bacteria and other microbes. These little guys help with digestion and keep us healthy. But aliens? They likely evolved on a completely different planet with unique microbes. A swap of spit could introduce a whole new world of bacteria to your body, potentially causing illness. Second, think about biochemistry. We breathe oxygen, but who knows what gases an alien might breathe? Swapping spit could expose you to something toxic or disrupt your respiratory system. Not exactly a recipe for romance. Third, alien biochemistry might be radically different. Imagine an alien with a silicon-based life form. Think rocks instead of carbon. Their saliva could be caustic or have weird, unpredictable effects. So, is interspecies smooching a guaranteed disaster? Maybe not. Some extremophiles on Earth thrive in harsh environments. Perhaps some aliens have similar adaptations that could make a kiss harmless. The truth is, we just don't know enough about extraterrestrial life to say for sure. But hey, that's the beauty of science. The next time we make contact, maybe we can skip the smoochies and opt for a good, old-fashioned handshake, from a safe distance, of course. What do you think? Would you risk an alien kiss? Leave a comment below and let's discuss. Until next time, stay curious, space cadets.